This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G, and I've been using this device as my daily driver for some days now. I noticed a couple of amazing features this device has, so I decided to share it with you guys. I'm DELPPY and make we talk, Charlie. So I planned on picking up just 4 amazing features this device has because of course the Z Flip 4, but I realized there's too much to talk about, so why limit it when you can discuss a lot more? So I'll be sharing more than 4. And the first is the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a flip phone. I mean, of course, it belongs to the foldable series from the premium lineup from Samsung. But the fact that you can close this device and then it becomes more portable and compact to carry around is such a beautiful thing to do. Now, talking about the flip design or the foldable design, Samsung made use of it software-wise. Yes, and they called it the flex mode. So in flex mode, you could actually use the device as a laptop, not to that extreme. But in case you're tired of holding your device for a longer period, all you have to do is to just make sure you place it down and you're good to go to start using certain apps in flex mode. Not every app is capable of flex mode. So in the flex mode settings, you could see some apps that need to be enabled before it can make use of that feature. One app that is by default set to that is the gallery. Now, all you have to do is to just bend the device in half whilst you're scrolling through the images in your gallery, and the other half of the device becomes a touchpad where you can use to either switch between the images or zoom in for the images on the device. A very, very great use of the flexible design on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. When we look at the build, we have a fingerprint sensor embedded on the power button, which makes it a very, very, very convenient position to unlock your device. Because of course, right when you tap on the power button, you're already unlocking your device, and it's pretty fast. You don't need to waste time to get into your device if you have that feature turned on. The exterior display is a bit wider now, and you can do a lot more as compared to what the Z Flip 3 was doing. And before we move on to other parts of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, I'd like to share with you our sponsor for this video, KeysFun. KeysFun is an online store that allows you to buy software licenses at cheaper prices than on other official websites, and it's completely legal. Now, you can have refunds and 24/7 online customer support on the KeysFun website. There's a KeysFun super deal you need to check out. All you have to do is to follow the link in the description. Go ahead and click on it, and you'd get a super deal from KeysFun. Now, the keys are 100% genuine keys, and you can even get 50% off from the promotion page and up to 60% off as well. And what this basically means is you can buy more and save more. You can buy Windows 10 Pro and upgrade to Windows 11 Pro for free with KeysFun. You can also buy packaged products like Windows and Office together with one-click installation for a PC essential software. And if you're not satisfied with the products, you can get a refund for it as well. If you want either Windows or Office activation keys, you could use the link in the description for that as well and get yourself or get your Windows activated instantly. Also, there is a 50% promo code in the description. Use that promo code as well, and you can get 50% or 62% off if you use that. Okay, let's move on to the other interesting parts of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The color I have here is a dark gray variant, and even though I was more inclined to the gold-like color, having this as my device is great, and I love the color. The side is made of glass completely, and it's Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so it won't get cracked easily. That protection is there for you. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which comes coupled with 8 gigs of RAM, 3 internal memory storage variants, which includes the 128GB of internal storage, which is the baseline storage, and then we also have the 256 and 512GB of internal storage. Not forgetting, with RAM Plus, in addition, you can get up to 4 more gigabytes in addition to the 8GB this device comes with to boost it up to 12GB, which will then make it very, very fast in performance. Although, you know, RAM Plus is software based, so the performance won't be that noticeable, but it really helps in that aspect. Did you know that because of the design of this device, you could actually hold a device whilst taking videos like a camcorder? And it's so cool because you don't even need to worry about shaky footages anymore. And once you bend it that way, Samsung gives you the chance to also use the outer screen as an exterior display. I like to end this with the battery capacity and charging speed. This device comes with a 3700 mAh battery capacity, which is much more bigger than what it came with last year on the Z Flip 3. And also it makes it last longer than previously. With regards to charging speeds, this device has support for 25 watts fast charging, which charges the device pretty fast. But Samsung has a charging boost technology that makes it charge supposedly faster than it should charge at a 25 watts fast charging. And I must be honest, I have experienced that and it's very great. Overall, I think the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the phone to get if you're not into getting the Fold 4. This is more compact and fits everywhere. I mean, literally everywhere because of its form factor and the design. And it has a very solid build. Although it feels slippery on the side because of the aluminum frame. So I would really suggest that you get a casing to cover the device if you intend purchasing it. I'm DELPPY, by the way. And as always, we go talk more, Charlie.